Hello guys, today we will discuss about placement cell project using this project is Node.js and EJS, and this functionality I am using to create this project. Now let's start to explain the project and then I will explain the code. Okay, now you can check here sign up and sign in. You can sign up here. I can sign up using any email ID. So I am use this email ID. Okay, sorry, here username and here email ID. Take a password, confirm password. Okay, now I copy this email ID to sign in time. It is used there. Okay, then sign up. Sign up is successfully. Then sign in. Take a user ID. Take a password and login. Login is successfully. Okay, login is successfully. Now you can check here. This is the student list. This is the scheduled interviewed by the company's placement cell. This is the header placement cell. Hello Vishwa. Hello Vishwa means he is a username of the student. Okay, dashboard, add new student, add interview, report and sign out. Okay, you can add the new student. Okay, then let's start to add a student. Here you can see this is the form of student. You fill this all information to add a student. Okay, now I am filling all information. Okay, college, this is my college, placed placement D. Okay, batch D. Now score is 56. Oh, what is here? Okay, there what what happened? Okay, add a student. Student added successfully. You can check a dashboard. Here you can see student added successfully. These marks are seen here. What happened here? Mm, Marks are not showed there, but here marks are successfully showed. Okay, now check the. Now you can edit the student and check to edit the student. Okay, 76, 85. You can edit also student and update. You check here student is updated successfully. You can check these marks. I am updated these marks. Student is updated successfully. Now again I am delete this student. Okay, let's check the delete this student. Okay, I am delete this student is deleted successfully. Okay, now what next? Add a this is the scheduled interview list. Okay, I am again scheduled the one or more interview. Okay, then I am scheduled the CSC CSC company. Let's check and take a interview date 24 2023. Okay, add an interview. Let's check interview is added successfully or not. Here you can check yes. Here you can check interview added successfully. Now you can add a interview, add a student to interview. Okay, I am added this student to interview. Copy the email id. Here you can paste here email id. Okay, now we will pass or not. You can check here fail, on hold, don't attempt, pass. I am take a pass. Okay, now add a student is added successfully. Now you can check here student is added or not. Yes, you can check here student is added. Now again I am added one more student to confirm how delete functionality work here. Okay, college same as it is, no change here. F DSA score. What happened here? I am not understand. But here it is work. Add a student. Student is added successfully. You can check these time marks are seen here. But what I know Here you can see marks are added successfully, no change anyone else. So okay, now you can also edit student. I will check, and you can also delete the student. Okay, you can delete a student, and here you can see add an interview. Interview is added. Um, First time I am interview added here. You can check this interview added company interviews are listed here. Which company you can you added. See, all these are, or you can delete this student on the interview. Check here interview interviews. It is gone. Okay, now it's work perfectly. Okay, and you can download the report. Report is downloaded successfully. You can check here. Open it. Okay, this is the student college name. All data are added successfully. Now let's start. Let's sign out. Sign out is working or not? Check here. Yes, sign out is working fine. Now we will check the code. Okay, okay. Here you can see code. Here first I am used a const express body parser, cookie parser, app express port, in this port server is server port. Okay, it is config file to connect to MongoDB is imported. And now you can check these MongoDBs are imported. This is Mongo's Altas MongoDB's Altas URL. Okay, now what next? You can check here MongoDB connection rather MongoDB connection are failed then this error are occurred. Okay, now connection is successful. You can check here connection successfully connected database means these code are working fine. Okay, this is the Mongo.js. What next here? You can check here. I am used by a body parser. It is used to fetch the data in browser. Okay, okay. Now what next? It is used for EJS and Java external files to connect to assets folder. These folder, these folder are connected like this. Okay, these functionality are used here. App.set. Okay, used for session. This is used for session, passport and passport recall. Okay, what next? This is the EJS connection, view engine. EJS means view engine. View engine usually setup EJS view engine. Okay. Now what next? Mongoose. It is session cookies database. Okay. Yeah. Now what next? Chalo. What next? You can click here. Routes. Here you can see this is the index router. Here I am created student router and interview router. Let's check the student router. Okay, student router. Okay, you can check here. I am exported these controllers: add student, update student, edit student, create student, destroy student. Okay, now you can check here. It is required for the this folder structure. Now I am check the first reading add student page. Okay, add student page. You can go add student. Okay, this is the add student. Add student. You can add a student. Use this code to add a student. Okay, you can entering the student, creating a new student. Use this. Okay, means you can check here update student, edit student, and create student. You check here. This is create student, destroy student. You can take here destroy the student. Okay, means delete the student, update the student. These are code for students. These student routes. Yeah, okay, what next? Then I am go to interview. Here you can see I am created get request, add a interview, create a interview. Okay, now add interview means here you add a student. Sorry, here add a student. Delocate the student. Okay, Now next you can check. Okay, this is the code, dashboard code. You can check here dashboard displayed here, all students and all interviews. These two columns, interviews and students are displayed here. Then go to user controller. You can check here. This is the user controller. This is the profile controller. Okay, update user details here. If password confirm, then return back. Okay, username, password are here. Render the sign in page. Okay, creating a new user. Here you can see I am user to create a new student, const username, email, confirm password. All these, if password not equal to confirm password, then go back, redirect to back. Okay, this is the redirect to back page. Then find one. If email are not found, then you can check here error finding user. Okay, now user are not already not there, then you can run. This code is working. Okay, sign in and create a session for the user. Okay, here sessions are created for user to sign in and sign up. Okay, this is the code, and here interview model, student model and user model. First I am check the interview model. Here you can see company and date, student. These data are required, so without this you cannot create these all fields are required, it is mandatory. Okay, you can take here student id and reference are student. This student reference means you take this student in like here. These students id are usually this side, and you can check here. I am created this student schema. Here you can see email, college, badge, DSA, all functionalities are here. Please the notification this is working as a array. Interviews, interview company, date, result, pass, fail, these all are on checking in the project. Okay, this code for students, and then go to the project code of user, username, email, password. You can sign in time in this. Is sign in time is used and user schema is validated async function. This is for password with user password. Validate the password with user password. That time it is used, and okay, that's fine. Thank you. This is my project. No, this is my project. Thank you.